All right, guys. Hey, Julius here. Jaysbrain. I'm glad you guys are here. Yeah. So, what am I doing? I woke up this morning and it's Sunday, and I want to create something. So, because I'm a creative and I want to create something because I was feeling some type of way today. Today has not been one of the best days for me. So I was like, what is the best way to get this negative energy off of me and out of my head? I said, okay, well, let's create. The best thing for me when I'm in a bad situation and I'm not feeling up to myself is to create something, to do something right then and there. So I was like, well, okay, I'll do this first portion with my phone, introduction, and then so basically what's going to happen is this right here, right after we're done, I'm going to have a full conversation with my inner self and my logical self, I call it, the other half of my brain, where we're going to sit here and have a discussion about kind of something that has happened today with me and one of my best friends of a very long time. And I wanted to basically talk about you don't let negative energy stop you, and how to turn your negative energy into something that you can use to be creative and like motivate you. So that's basically what I'm going to do right now. It is basically like a talk in my head that I have with myself, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you like this little mini movie I'm going to do. And yeah, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. And here we go right now. This is a story about two friends. These two friends have known each other for over 12 years.
Hi guys. What's the issue? Oh, I see. It's your egos. Okay. You guys have been friends for 12 years. Why are you guys going to end it? But do you guys really truly believe you should end your friendship? Well, I want you to think right now, long and hard, on the real issue here. Now, are you sorry? Okay, that's what I thought. You guys don't need to end this friendship